Another obvious fact here is that as fractures work their way up through the formation, you're looking at horizontally layered sedimentary rocks. Once they hit bedding planes, those fractures are going to go horizontal. They're not going to go vertical. A number of other reasons as well. Chemical additives are a secret. Most of them are not. Some of them are trade secrets. And they are trade secrets, or they're confidential to the companies, because this is a highly competitive business. If you give out all the information on your components you use, you give a leg up on the competition, and it undercuts your business. One of the biggest myths of hydraulic fracturing is it causes tap water to ignite. The only thing that causes tap water to ignite is methane in your water and putting a match to your water. Believe it or not, methane is a common part of our groundwater. It may not be in high enough concentrations to ignite. In many places it is. In large part in this area because of the coal that we have very close to the surface. Everybody knows about canary in the coal mine. It's there to detect methane as a protective measure for the miners. Coal is full of methane. It's very close to the surface. One thing that is true about drilling is it vibrates the earth. And natural gas that's distributed through the rock formations near the surface, within the aquifers, it can cause that natural gas to migrate and accumulate in higher concentrations than prior to the drilling. That is true, but it has nothing to do with hydraulic fracturing. Another recent one is that hydraulic fracturing triggers earthquakes. Not true. There's a remote possibility that it could, none such on record. It does create microseismic events. You'd never be able to detect them at the surface. The most sensitive of seismographs cannot detect these. You can only detect them in boreholes that are drilled adjacent to where the drilling is going on. The other one, and this goes without saying, fracking is not a drilling process. As a geologist who spent 15 years in the oil business and 20 years as an environmental scientist, fracking is not a drilling process, it is a completion process. Hopefully that will get straightened out someday, but I know it's a popular phrase and it carries some weight with it. And the other myth is frac fluids migrate to the surface. They don't. Let's move on to Class 2 injection wells, because this is something that everybody in Ohio should be concerned about.